Hello, friends! Welcome back to the Quiz Empire channel. In today's challenge, can you guess the food brand logo by sound? Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Empire channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's go! Can you get this first one right? Which sound feels catchy like this? Yes, that's MacDonald's. Do you know this one from the sound? Which logo has a tune like this? Yes, that's Burger King. Have you heard this melody before? Which brand is linked with this tune? Yes, that's Pizza Hut. Can you tell which brand plays this? Which logo sound matches here? Yes, that's KFC. Does this jingle sound familiar to you? Which food chain has this tune? Yes, that's Subway. Do you recognize this little sound? Which logo is known for this chime? Yes, that's Taco Bell. Have you heard this delivery tune? Which sound belongs to this logo? Yes, that's Domino's. Do you recall this restaurant tone? Which brand has this logo sound? Yes, that's Starbucks. Can you guess this crunchy sound? Which logo is connected to this? Yes, that's Tostitos. Have you heard this snack sound? Which food brand uses this tone? Yes, that is Doritos. Do you know this fizzy sound? Which logo has music like this? Yes, that is Coca-Cola. Can you catch this classic tune? Which logo sound is playing here? Yes, that is Pepsi. Do you remember this morning sound? Which brand is linked with this song? Yes, that is Folgers. Does this tune sound familiar enough? Which logo has this melody? Yes, that is Dr. Pepper. Can you tell whose jingle this is?
The snack that smiles back. Goldfish.
Which snack brand sings like this? Yes, that is Goldfish.
The snack that smiles back. Goldfish.
Do you know this playful sound? Which food brand is famous for it? Yes, that is Sprite.